The U.S. Navy is carefully developing the design of its future guided missile destroyer, DDG-X, with Navy officials spearheading its design and feasibility efforts. The DDG-X program, named PMS-460, first began in 2021 to develop a new class of warships that would replace the U.S. Navy's aging Ticonderoga-class cruisers and older Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, with the first ships expected to enter service in the early 2030s. However, the program is already running behind schedule, as the original plan called for the U.S. Navy to purchase the first ship in 2028. Given that design work continues, even the 2032 schedule may seem rushed, and U.S. Navy officials are in no hurry no matter what. As noted by Naval Technology, the proposed fiscal year 2024 budget request calls for $187.4 million for research and development for the program. The good news is that the service will be able to cut corners in the development of future destroyers, as its weapons and sensors will be similar to the Aegis combat system used on the Arleigh Burke-class DDG flight I. While the propulsion for the DDG-GX could be based on the integrated power system used on the U.S. Navy's 3 zumwalt-class destroyers. The gas turbine system powers a complex electrical grid, which drives electric motors to power the ship. This offers redundant margins for new sensors and weapons. However, as noted in a Congressional Research Services report last December, the U.S. Navy is also seeking additional space, load-carrying capacity, electrical power and cooling capacity from the DDG-51's flight I design. This allows the use of higher-powered equipment and potentially even direct energy weapons. The Navy states that the DDG-X-based design, like the DDG-51 flight I design, includes 96 standard vertical launch system cells with the capability to incorporate 12 large missile launch cells in lieu of 32 missile launch cells, 96 standard VLS cells. It also includes 2 21-cell rolling airframe missile launchers and the capability to be built with an additional center hull section called the Destroyer Payload Module, which will provide additional payload capacity, the CRS report states. Additionally, the Navy has called for the DDG-GX to reduce vulnerability from reduced infrared, acoustic, and underwater electromagnetic signatures.